Hi, it's Maggie in front.
And it's Kay behind.
And this is our Letters to Santa album that we did at the Hunsford workshop in November. So this is what we did. So Kay designed a lovely holder for your album. And then this is the album here. And it's got our rolling spine. And that's nice and solid. And I know in the assembly tutorial Mary Ann said, oh, you say on it you won't teach it at a workshop, but actually it went very well. So, right, so this is the front, and we used a mixture of 12 by 12 and 8 by 8 papers. Okay, and now we're opening up. Right, I'm just watching. Kay's giving me hand signals. There we are. Okay, right, and I know what I forgot to do. I forgot to get something to do for like pockets. So that's a pocket. That's a pocket. Thank you, Kay.
Will that do?
Yeah, that'll do. That's a pocket. And that's also a pocket. And let's just get this closed properly. So in here, this is a 6 by 4 photo slot. And then when you open it up, pocket and a pocket. And then you open it up again. And you've got another pocket there, there, and there. So if I close that up, that is where the 6 by 4 slot would fit in there. And obviously they're pocket pages, so you can put things in the middle here. So this is what we call catch-up pages, page 2 and 3 with horizontal pockets. There are. Can you see a pocket there, Kay?
No, I can't.
Oh, that's one of our
invisible
ones, yeah, with our straight pierce pocket slots. So you've got a pocket there, a pocket there, and a pocket there, and the same this side as well.
It's more for tuck space, isn't it?
Yeah, tuck spot.
Tuck spot.
Yeah.
Okay, so I haven't been listening.
Ah, well done. She's awake this morning. Okay, so this one is closed using like a double belly band. So you've got 3 by 2 photos here. This opens up, and then you've got another belly band under here as well for storing other bits and pieces. We'll pop that in there. This is one of my favourite shapes. I don't know why, but I just like it. Mary Ann hates doing it.
Yeah, she
has
does,
to cut them.
She did moan a bit about it.
So, right, so that's there. And again, all of the, as I say, all of these are pocket pages, so you can pop things in. Right, so on here, we've got more invisible tuck spots. So you've got one there, got one there, and you have got one here as well. It's so invisible I can't see it, but it's there, I can feel it. Oh, there it is. There it is. So that's there as well. And then here, now lots of people saw this and thought, oh yes, it's a waterfall. No, it isn't. It's just a lift up little flap one. Again with a tuck spot there, photo mat there, another tuck spot here, and then you just used one of your little images from your 12 by 12. And then at the back, it's all right, I've just seen a wafting hand. You've got another 6 by 4 photo, and here you've got pockets.
Well, there's lots of space to put photographs.
There is.
And
yeah.
Ephemera.
And
is that right?
Yes, ephemera.
Ephemera,
yeah, and more pockets there. And Mary Ann did hers, and she used our Christmas stamps because they work really well with them. So that is our rolling spine letters to Santa. Now we will have a few
with the box.
With the box
Decorated with.
Oh, look at these little teeny tiny boxes here. So these are decorated using our miniature dies designed by Kay. So perfect boxes there. Oh, and then we've got round boxes round here as well. So we have we will have the PDF available for the rolling spine, and we will have a few of the actual kits themselves available as well. Thank you very much.